In the assembly level, you can add lots of different type of pattern. If I go to this assembly tab, under this linear component drop down menu, you can see you can add linear component pattern, circular component pattern, pattern driven component, sketch driven component, curve driven component, chain component. So far you can add 6 different type of pattern. So in this lesson I will work with linear component pattern. If you work with linear pattern in part level, then this will help you to understand this linear component pattern in assembly level, because both are working in the same way. So first I will activate this linear component pattern, and here you can see there is 2 parts. One is base, another is simple cone here. So first I have to mention my direction. I will select my direction here. This direction I already selected, and here I have to specify my spacing. So I will select 2, I will apply 2 inch, and I have to put my number of instances. From here you can increase or decrease. So I will apply 5 here, and now I will not apply in the direction 2. I will collapse this direction 2, and I want to pattern the component, so I have to select component first. This is my component, and you can see this is in the wrong direction, so I have to change my direction. I can change from the graphic window from here, or if I want I can also change the direction from here. This is in the correct direction now. If I see from the top view, everything is fine here. The distance is 2 inch, the spacing 5 instance here, and if I press OK, you can see this is the pattern, and the pattern has been added here in the feature manager tree, and you can see 4 extra part has been added, which is similar with this part. But the problem is, if I change the mate, suppose this is the distance mate with the base component is 1 inch. If I change to 2 inch, all other part will be moved, because all other parts are controlled by this linear pattern. So if I right click on this linear pattern, if I select dissolve pattern, you can see all other part will be added separately, and there is no mate for this. So you have to add manually mate for each of this one, and you can see if I try to move this, this is moving randomly in the 3D space. So I will undo this, so I will get this linear pattern again. And I will change this to 1 inch. If I want to edit this linear pattern, just right click on this pattern and press edit feature, and from here I will go to direction 2. In the direction 2, first I have to select the direction. This is the direction, and for the direction 2, if I select 2, you can see there are 2 here, there are 3 row here because I added the 3. And if I don't want any instance here, suppose if I don't want this instance, this one, I can select from here, or if I think I change my mind, I want to get back this instance, I will select this one again, so it will be back here again. So by this way you can use this linear pattern, and if you want, you can also, there is another option that is called pattern seed only. If I select this pattern seed only, you can see you can get this type of pattern.